Yeah, there's a unicorn.
Get down, 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 get down.
Rachel over there. I'm excited for that tree.
Drop that. Drop that.
Today, which is Greening Taupo Day.
I've never been to such a function or an event that's had so many associated people involved with it from our wonderful community. So welcome, guys. Are you all set to go? A special welcome also to my Deputy Mayor, Councillor Shepherd and Councillor Park. They're very, very handy at planting.
Notice that the holes look like they're not there. They're tricking you. They've been dug, but then the soil's been put back in and some vermicast, which is a fancy way of saying worm poo, thank you to my Noki for that, has been put into the holes. So what you will need to do is just
Get it. Get down, get down, get down.
Yeah, tickle it, tickle it. Good job. Good job. Bend it.
And I'll this side.
That body for me, what? That body for me, work. That body for me, what? That body for me.
Oh, and you can put another. You can put another.
Good job, kids.
Get it. Get down, 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 get down.
Hey, what are you going to say?
This is the best Greening Taupo ever, and we get to plant a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Work that body for me, work that body for me, work that body for me, work.
Well, there, because I found it.
Well done, Lexi.
That's it. Go. Keep pulling. Just to the bottom bit. That's it. You can see how the roots are now coming out. That's it.
Get it. Get down, get down, get down. Get down, get down, get down.
Amazing.
Amazing, a lot of food.
Delish.
Delish.
I'm gonna have to update
Get down, get down, get down, get down. Drop that. Down. that body for me, what? Work it.
Happy Anjali.
How you doing?